Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christella Merveille and I'm going to show you how I decorated my graduation cap. So here we have my cap, a picture of Jesus, a picture of a classroom, and a picture of Albert Einstein. We have some gold letters, some stickers, glue, and scissors. And this construction paper, which I really loved. I measured it up to my cap, then cut it out, then I glued it on, and then I cut it out the hole, and now we're gonna get going. So I am cutting out the little friends on the side, and then I'm gonna put Jesus over the teacher in there because Jesus is my number one teacher. And then we have one of my role models, Albert Einstein, who was also very big on education. Both Einstein and Jesus were teachers, and I'm becoming a teacher, so why not have a role model that is who has done what you're going to do or are doing and greater than you. Okay, so now we have stickers, and I'm just gonna map out the layout that I kind of want and then glue the stuff on. Now that it's glued on, I'm gonna start putting on the letters, and I'm writing out the student has become the teacher because that's literally what I am doing. And I really did not like how his hands were kind of just hanging there, so I'm going to take that paper and I'm going to cut it out to make it fit where his hands are, just for the sake of preserving the cap. While you're doing this, just make sure to take your time and not rush, because it's so important, especially if you want it to look a certain way, to just take your time. If you don't and you rush, you'll make a lot of mistakes. And I did not have any difficulty making this cap. It was actually very easy because of that. So yeah, here's just some extra footage of me being extra careful and just taking my time, because it's just important. The finished product. I actually ended up going back and adding just a little extra just to give it a little wow factor. I really like how this came out. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and then subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, because I'm actually uploading this year. See you in my next video, guys.